I'm going to give you a quick overview of the John Deere 8000 replacement headliner, tractor interior upholstery. It's got the camel hair fabric, same as original equipment. We also have perforated vinyl for the 9000 headliner, and it's 18% perforated, and that represents the 18% is how much material is actually removed. The reason we remove that material is so the sound can be absorbed by the foam. In the camel hair, it's virtually 100% open. It's more sound absorption. There's not quite as much stress on those materials. They're a little stretchier, so they probably last a little longer. If I were to put one in my tractor, I would without a doubt put the camel hair in. I recommend it for longevity, sound absorption, but you can choose whichever model you like. This is the original color here with the sailcloth. If you want to flip it over and look at the back, we have foam on the back. Very important for squeak and rattle. A lot of people don't supply this foam on the back, but it's really good for sound absorption. You need that on there. This John Deere 8000 part has a cutout right here for a light. Just take your knife, poke it through here, cut out this material, and your light mounts from the bottom. If you're putting this in a 9000, it's the exact same headliner, except it has another cutout for a light right here. The way you get to that is you just take a sharp knife, you cut through the foam on both sides of the cutout, lift it up, sort of fillet that foam off of there using a sharp knife. And once you get the foam removed, you can see the cutout right here, and you just go ahead and poke your knife through there, make that cutout, and install your light, and then it fits a 9000 also. The reason we leave this piece of foam in here is we don't want anyone to really see that in case they think they have a dome light or they know they have this light and they cut it in the wrong spot. You automatically recognize this is a place for the light if you have an 8000. If you have a 9000, you need both. So you just need to be aware that don't think you have the wrong headliner. If you get one and this is covered, it's right underneath this piece of foam, and you cut that out. Should fit your tractor perfectly. We also, if you look at these grills, it's a lot of open space there versus the original equipment for the sound to pass through. We did not just cut a little shape on the back. We actually removed the plastic, removed the foam. The foam is a special type of foam for absorbing sound. So if you don't remove that foam, which most people do not, it's just blocking it and then making it so you have to turn your radio up louder to get more distortion. This is a really nice option that we've started with for 2015. So I think it's going to make a pretty big difference on quality of sound. If you do elect to put your speaker grill back on, you just cut slits in these 4 holes right here and snap your speaker grill back into place. Very easily done. You need to do that prior to putting it in your tractor. Make sure and put that grill on first. If you want, you don't need to remove any of this material. If you put that grill on, put it right over the top. If you do want to remove that material because it would be slightly better sound, you can let us know and we will send you this headliner. This is the model we made previous to, and you cut this out, stick a knife through here and remove this whole block of material and it's open. You still have the 4 slots to put your speaker grill back on the other side. So